Okay, here's what the target looked like after the foam was poured and it's had time to set up a little and harden. You see where the foam bulged out. Even under the plastic, it pushes its way out through. And here too. That's bulged out. That's nice. That means it's, thicker than the original. So it gives you a good amount of material to work with, where you can take it down, clear it with. You can use a knife and then sanding apparatus. Using a abrasive disc on my drill here, and that works okay. You can also use a wire brush on a drill, or there's different things that'll work. So I just want to show you that next stage before I take the plastic off. Okay, I've sanded down my target, removed all the excess material, sanded it down. I've drawn my lines where I want my scoring rings to be burned in. I've already burned in this side. Used a soldering iron. Actually, it's a wood burning tool, but same kind of thing. And burned these in to the foam. So I've got one side left. Do this with one hand, like so you can see. Okay, here we go. Okay, so I was under a time deadline, so I didn't have time to stop and videotape several steps, but this is after shaping, after burning in my rings, and then after painting. Painting with exterior latex paint. Little white tail there. Little white in the ears, black on the eyes. There's some of the other repair jobs I did. These are inserts for Reinhardt targets. That's for a fallow deer. Tried to put the spots where it looked like they should be in the picture. This is for a Stegosaurus target. This is for a small honey bear. This is for a, what was that one? Oh, that's our giant carp. That one back there, I believe, is for a fox. This is for a black bear, walking bear. This is coyote target, and this one is for this is a raccoon. I also had to repair this one, so this one is now, the insert is now bonded like the jackalope. So thanks for watching.